Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to track an object in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the first thing would be is just to open your project or create a new one. So you can simply go to File and then go to New Project and basically you can start creating the project. Now, all you will be needing to do is to add the objects where you want to add motion tracking. And basically here I just added this one in the stock media and I just drag and drop it. And basically we will be needing let's just do like that. We will be needing like to tracking this guy like when doing the push-ups. And simply Filmora will provide you with AI tools that can do the work for you. So simply we go to the video, make sure that you are selecting the video, and then we will be needing just to search for the right AI tool to do the motion tracking. And here you will need just to find your AI in this menu. And basically you will find this duration, AI, keyframing, etc. And obviously we want the AI tracking tool. So now we are just going to click on motion tracking. We want like for example to track the movement of the head and let's just like focus on here and simply you will need just to do like that and basically you will need like to click on start motion tracking first, so you click on it and the motion tracking the target inside the box must be visible 100% of time, and basically it is like already tracking the wrong uh, movement and I wanted to here and now it's working. So now if we go and redo the video, we can see that it's tracking right now and it's moving. And as it says, you would need like to have the target inside the box must be visible 100% of time so you can have like working. And after that you have the tracking, you can start like having all the uh, elements or all you can for example add a blur or whatever you like the effect to add, and you can choose whatever like the effects to start adding within this motion tracking. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.